Hello everyone. Today I am going to solution of paper 2 forensic science December 2011. This paper contains 50 objective type question. Each question carrying 2 marks. Attempt all of the question. Which of the following helps in determination of age? Carl Pearson causing the disappearance of evidence by a forensic scientist can be punished under Section 201 of Indian Penal Code. Which of the following preservative is used for preservative hair from DNA analysis? No preservative is required. The main component of high explosive parasite picretol is TNT and ammonium picrate. Match the following. Polymorphism, enzyme, absorption, blood grouping, luminol test, blood detection, HLA paternity, HLA DNA. Match the following: Calvert-Goddard polymerase chain reaction, Muller comparison, microscope, firewall superimposition, Rockstone brain fingerprinting. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? An eyewitness testimony is a form of indirect evidence in the proportional spacing. Typewriter, all characters occupy different space according to size of character. X-ray examination in firearm cases is done to help location of bullet which has not come out of body. The length of a full-term fetus is 50 cm. Exhaustion, a last chance print may be latent, patent or visible. Reason are all latent patent fingerprint are chance all latent fingerprints are chance print, but all the chance print may not latent print. Both A and R are correct. Which of the following feature of the hip bone is most essential determination of sex? Ischio-pubic rhombus, PSDA indentation, UV fluorescence, projectina, physical matching of tone paper, IR image conversion, obliteration. Which of the following formula help to determine the age of the fetus? Say. We match the following gate pattern. Footprint, fingerprint, dactylography, diatoms, droning, Carl Pearson formula, stature, lip print, celebroscopy. Exhaustion, pH of the blood normally alkaline in living person, but after that pH of blood drops because reason are because of accumulation of carbon dioxide from glycogenesis and glycosis. Both A and R are correct. Which type of writing movement is an unskilled writer? Writer's handwriting is present prominently. Whole arm movement. Rectified sprint cannot be used for preserving the viscera in case of organophosphorus poisoning. Absorption A. Breath analyzer is used to determine alcohol concentration. Is by far the most frequently used test in cases of drunken drive. Reason are this is due to the easy and simplicity of operation of the available equipment. A and A is incorrect, but R is correct. Both A and R are correct. Organochloropresent pesticide inhibits the action of GABA gamma aminobutyric acid receptors. Cause of death in cafe ceremony is choking. Disguise in handwriting by unaccustomed hand means 1 and 3 are correct. To write the with right hand by left hand writer. To write the left hand by right hand writer. Maximum duration till intact spermatozoa can present in vagina in up to 24 hours. Which of the following organism can be mistaken for a spermatozoa? Trichomonas vaginalis. Pugilistic attitude of the cadaver is due to coagulation of protein. Impeti puparia are indicative of entire life cycle of insect is completed and adult files left of puparia. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Modified double-line search method is also known as grid method. The ligature marks of a special death color of is a pattern abrasion. Which of the following is an inebriant poison? Alcohol. Fracture pattern in a glass sheets due to excessive heat will be irregular. The preferred material to prepare a coat of a shoe print is snow is wax. Thin layer chromatography, ink, electrostatic lifting, footprints, differential thermal analysis, soil, reflective index, glass. Urine, creatinine, phasage, urobilinogen, saliva Me1, vaginal secretion Me2, prostatic specific antigen PSA is secreted into seminal fluid by the prostate gland. Urease an enzyme used for testing urea in urine breaks down urea and releases ammonia and carbon dioxide. Which of the following is incorrect statement? fiber traces on a vehicle may establish that a particular vehicle was involved in an accident. The total number of teeth present in temporary dentation is 20. Adsorption individualization can be done from the buccal muscle cell region are because of the presence of bar body. A is correct, R is incorrect. Which of the following is an X-ray diffraction method? Bragg X-ray spectrometer method. Which of the following cannot use as a source of infrared radiation? Tungsten lamp. A direct method to quantitatively determine the chromatography separated sustain can be carried out using calorimetry. Who discovered poroscopy? Edmund Locard. Johnson in HPLC, either isosceles or gradient illusion may be used as a solvent system. Isocratic solvent system improved a poor HPLC separation, and a gradient solvent system has advantage of speed and simplicity. Both A and R are correct. Thank you.